Hello students, can you tell me how many kiwi fruits are there in the box? Yes, there are 1 and 2. 2 kiwi fruits are there in the box. If I put one more kiwi fruit in the box, so how many it becomes? It becomes 1, 2, 3. It becomes 3 kiwi fruits in the box. So what I did? Yes, I did addition. So today we are going to learn third standard math subject addition by carry over. Now let's see addition by carrying over. Here I have written one example. U means units, T means tens, H means 100. When you are doing addition, always start from the units place. In units, I have written 5 and 7. In tens place 4, 2, and in 100 place 2 and 1. When we are doing addition, we will add units with units, tens with tens, and 100 with 100. Okay. Now in units place it is 5 and 7. Now 7 is the bigger number and 5 is the smaller number. So take 5 fingers. Okay. What comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. So we can't write 12 in units place. So what we will do is, we will put their place value, that is units, tens. Now in units 2 number is coming and in tens 1 number is coming. So in unit we will write 2 and in tens we will carry over this one in tens place like this. So this is called addition by carry over. Now next, first of all we will add the given number, that is 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2. 4 is the bigger number and 2 is the smaller number. So take 2 fingers. What comes after 4? 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Now here I have carry 1. Okay, so I will add this 1 number also. Don't forget to add this carry over. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7. Now this is a 1-digit number. Therefore only 7 will come. We will not carry any number over here. No, because we have only 1-digit number, not 2-digit number. We are getting only 1-digit number. So there is no need to carry over here. Now let's add 100. That is 2 plus 1. So 2 is the bigger number and 1 is the smaller number. So what comes after 2? 3. So the answer is 372. Now let's see one more example. Here U means units, T means tens, and H means 100. In addition, we have to add first units, then tens, then 100. In units I have written 9 and 9. In tens 4, 1. In 100 3, 2. Now when you are doing addition, always remember start from the unit place. Now 9 plus 9. So 9 is and 9 are the same number. So take 9 fingers. Okay. So what comes after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 comes. Now 18 is a 2-digit number. Okay, 18 is a 2-digit number. We can't write 2-digit number in units place. So what we will do is write the place value. So 8 is 8 comes in units place and 1 comes in tens place. So in units place we will write 8, and this 1 which comes in tens place we will write in tens place. Okay, so now let's add tens, that is 4 plus 1. So 4 is the bigger number and 1 is the smaller number. So take one finger. What comes after 4? 5. Okay. Now here we have the carryover. Okay. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we are getting 1 digit number. We are not getting 2 digit number. Okay. So only 6. So in tens place we will write 6, as it is 4 plus 1 is 5 and the carryover 1 is 6. Now the next one is 100. So 3 plus 2. So 3 is the bigger number and 2 is the smaller number. So take two finger. 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now let's see one more example. Again, U means units, T means tens, and H means 100. When we are doing addition, always start from the units place. First we will add units, then tens, and then 100. Okay. Now in units place it is 5 and 5. Now 5 and 5 are same numbers. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are getting 10. Again 10 is a 2 digit number. So we will write units, tens. So 0 will come in units place and this 1 will go in tens place. Okay. Then we will add, now we will add tens. That is first 6 plus 3. Now 6 is the bigger number and 3 is the smaller number. So take 3 fingers. So what comes after 6? 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now 9 plus, we should not forget the carryover, that is 1. So 1. So 9 plus 1 is again 10. Now here we are getting 2 digit number. Okay. Now we have add tens. So this 0 comes in tens place, and after tens what comes? 100. Okay. So 1 comes in 100 place. So in tens we will write 0, and in tens place we will write, we will carry over the 1 in 100 place. Okay. Now let's add 100. So 4 plus 3. First we will add 4 plus 3. Now 4 is the bigger number and 3 is the smaller number. So what comes? We will take 3 fingers. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus, we should not forget the carryover number. Otherwise our answer will be incorrect. So we have to add 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8, and we are getting 1 digit number. So 8. So the answer is 800.